Since students have different learning styles and multiple intelligences, the teacher must come up with blank of assessing learning. Parang naulit lang po ito kanina, iba lang yung pagkakalagay ng ating words. Okay? Since students, kung dahil daw or dahil daw po, yung mga estudyante may different learning styles at may different multiple intelligences or different intelligences, the teacher must come up with blank of assessing learning. Would it be letter A, varied ways? Letter B, both qualitative and quantitative methods? Letter C, quantified method? Or letter D, great bulk? That is indeed tumpak for item number 4. Good evening, Sir Rebel Villaganas, na isa po sa ating mga nakaraang top-notchers. Basta meron po tayong different learning styles, basta meron po mention ng multiple intelligences, then as teachers, dapat po gumagamit din tayo ng iba-ibang methods of assessing learning. Okay? So not just qualitative, quantitative, no? Po pwede pong authentic yung magiging method natin for assessment. Okay? So now here, no, may mention po ng qualitative and quantitative. Kapag ka-quanti, may letter N po, no? These would involve numbers. Okay? So may numbers po yan. May scoring, may grading, no? That's your quantitative method. May numbers, letter N. Qualitative naman po, description.